It's time to give your taste buds a treat. Come to the Egg Crate Cafe and enjoy our made-from-scratch breakfast and lunch creations. Breakfast lovers, take note. Our egg-stravagant menu features sunrise specials, build-your-own skillets and omelets, pancakes, Belgian waffles, country fried potatoes, breakfast sandwiches, bacon, sausage, ham, eggs Benedict, and more. Make your mouth water with our wide variety of lunch items featuring fan favorites like pan-fried catfish, black Angus burgers, handcrafted soups, chicken fried steak and chicken, KC strip, refreshing salads, and signature sandwiches. Do you have a sweet tooth? Our exciting selection of desserts are designed to satisfy. We strive to make everyone's dining experience excellent with our clean, comfortable environment, friendly waitstaff, and pleasant atmosphere, complete with wonderful paintings from local and regional artists. You can also schedule your next business meeting here, reserve our meeting room for your group activities, or have us bring the food to you with our catering and banquet services. We have generous portions and affordable prices on all of our extremely delicious food. So, come see us today at the Egg Crate Cafe.